Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake like a professional. First, always weigh your ingredients using a kitchen scale for accuracy. This is far more precise than using volume measurements. For example, 1 cup of flour can vary significantly in weight. Next, ensure your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This allows them to emulsify properly, creating a smooth, uniform batter. Finally, select the freshest, highest quality ingredients you can find, as they truly make a difference in the final taste and texture of your cake. Achieving a professional cake texture involves precise mixing. Begin by creaming your softened butter and granulated sugar together for a full 3 to 5 minutes. This incorporates air, making your cake light and tender. Then, add your dry and wet ingredients alternately, starting and ending with the dry. This method helps maintain emulsion. Most importantly, mix only until just combined after adding flour. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to a dense, chewy cake rather than a delicate one. Proper cooling is crucial for a professional finish. After baking, let your cakes cool in their pans for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows them to firm up slightly, preventing breakage. Then, carefully invert them onto a wire rack to cool completely, which can take several hours. Never frost a warm cake, as the frosting will melt. Once fully cooled, use a long serrated knife or a dedicated cake leveler to trim the dome tops, creating perfectly flat layers for stacking. For a truly professional look, mastering your frosting technique is key. Start by applying a very thin layer of frosting, known as a crumb coat, to trap any loose crumbs. This ensures your final layer of frosting remains pristine. Chill the crumb-coated cake in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes until firm. Then, apply your final, thicker layer of frosting, using an offset spatula and a bench scraper to achieve incredibly smooth, sharp edges. This attention to detail elevates your cake's appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.